ISUZU GIGA Truck EURO 5 EGR DPF SCR Delete. Vehicle information. Brand ISUZU. Model ISUZU GIGA 6WG1 Truck EURO 5. ECU Transtron M5.3.2. Service EGR plus DPF and SCR Delete. Problem: check engine light on. Truck in derate mode. Solution: remote tuning via diagnostic tool and TeamViewer. Modified ECU file to disable EGR, DPF, and SCR